So with the island, it's actually a seize the day kind of a moment where we are because of the rain. So what happens is in the morning you have to be done and ready by, let's say, 9 o'clock, and then you just seize the day, go about your day until maybe 1 o'clock, and then it's gonna start getting funny. And today it didn't rain, the weather was lovely until 1 o'clock, and then it just randomly started raining. I think it only rained for like 5 minutes and then it kind of stopped. So it's gonna be on and off until the end of the day. But the mornings, definitely you have to seize the day. And then for breakfast, I'm having my traditional coffee, which comes already sugared for you, and the traditional soft-boiled egg with toast. I really want to increase my protein intake, so egg it is. That's nice. Nice coffee.
Pantai Cenang.
Pantai Cenang?
Yes.
So now we are going to Pantai Cenang. Oh, look at this.
This area,
Pantai Cenang. A lot of massage places. A lot. We literally just got here and it starts to rain. The Kuala Lumpur vibes. So many people everywhere. It's so busy. So basically, if you want your tours, island hopping, or safari tour for 50 ringgit. Oh my god, I love them. But there's nobody here. Never. Good vibes only. Maybe or what? Rib eye, 200 grams for 38. No, that's still. A hairbrush. I come without. Oh, this is where I saw the rib eye, by the way. Oh my god, it's so windy. Sweet and sour chicken is here. It's hard to meet, isn't it? Here and eat my dinner. I just don't think it's practical and possible. So I don't think it makes sense. Might as well move further back in. Oh my god. This is chaotic. The rain, the band must still go on. They're my new heroes. Dinner. It's chaotic. Say the least. And the band is still going strong. This is bad. Real back Michael Jackson. This is crazy. 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 go and have some dinner. So I'm having a rib eye. I don't even know if it's a good idea because it's gonna be cold and I think it's gonna be a waste. But I haven't had a rib eye in so long. The rib eye is here, but it's got gravy. Why does it have to have gravy? Okay, moment of truth. Gravy on it. And it's quite a generous amount of gravy. And let's put it on the side so that I can control how much I need to put on my steak. My rib eye is drenched. I mean drenched. You know the way it was raining? It got rained on. It got rained on by gravy. Even my salad is drenched. Drenched in gravy. I think it's about to start again. And just as well, I'm about to finish eating anyway, so. Whatever comes from the southwest, let it come because my plate is empty. Despite the steak being drenched in gravy, it wasn't bad. And it was a good cut as well. Gentle woman, indeed. I just finished having my dinner and I'm already contemplating about my next dinner. Let's go. Hi! After selling me ice cream. Everybody's been nice. I always forget to download the app.
Oh, great.
Yeah. The same, what are you going to do?
Nothing to do.
Nothing.
Just only. Why are you laughing?
Because yeah, it's true. Just an answer, yeah?